So hello YouTube. Today I order the PPT remote that is for PowerPoint presentations. Quickly we will unbox it. There are very few videos or no videos for this product or no reviews. So this is practically a generic product, very generic product, no brand, nothing is printed. You can see I brought it for 448 rupees, that is 450 rupees. This is how the box comes. Only model number is written, nothing else. MRP is 2000. They will enter any kind of MRP, whatever they feel is right. There is no botheration. So this is the card from where I brought it. Okay, 2 years warranty from date of purchase, but on Amazon they have written only 1 year warranty. I don't know what is the true warranty. This is a manual. So here you will see that there is no brand name or nothing. So this is wireless laser presenter. Basically this is used by teachers or anyone who use PPT on projector and want to explain it to the audience. That's the purpose of this. It's very small, guys, you can see the size. I thought it would be huge, but it is very small, but I am happy. I wanted it to be handy. You can see there are minor marks on it. I don't know you can see it or not. uh, there is no seal or anything. This is just a open box. This is its USB receiver. Let me plug it in. Oh, strange, batteries are pre-installed, but I think they have some covering. Okay, so they will give you batteries in this way that you will have to open the cover when you get the product. Nice, this is not a bad idea. Batteries are non-branded, and there were lots of reviews that battery leakage is there. So already device is ready and installed in my laptop because I connected it. Now I am installing this battery, but I will recommend you not to use this battery because I saw the reviews that battery is of very cheap quality. I don't know the problem is in battery or device itself, but people are saying it leaks. Okay, so it started working. So this is for laser. This is low battery indication. So laser is working. I don't know, this blue light blinks all the time or only when battery is low. Okay, so right now the PPT is open. I can see the screens are changing. Let me show you. So this is the laser. You can see it's pretty bright. I will show it on the wall. So hope it's very bright for my eyes, but in video I don't know why camera is not able to capture its good wavelength. So red color has the maximum wavelength of color, guys. So red color is a very visible color. Whenever you think of having laser, prefer red color because red has the maximum wavelength, and green has the lowest wavelength. So green won't be visible from too far. Red color will be visible from far as well. So this is how the laser looks.  。 . 。  . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . . . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . I'm trying to focus on it. This is how the laser looks. On the back, they are given the instruction how to use it and how not to. Okay, so you can focus on this slide. I will change it now. See, so the slide pages are changing. It's working fine. Build quality and buttons are not that great. They feel flimsy. Now let me see what this button does. Okay, so it went to full screen mode. I don't know, it's a slideshow mode or anything. Okay, so this is black screen. So that's all in this remote, nothing else. You can see there is no brand name or anything. Everything is working fine, but this is very generic product. And if you check on Amazon, you will find multiple products from multiple seller. The exactly same product with different prices. So I what I did is I brought this product from Jihan because this one was the cheapest seller. I'm not promoting it, but this one was the cheapest seller because this product by RTS, which is very famous for selling these kind of devices. RTS Radhe Techno Service. That seller is very famous for selling these kind of presenters on the Amazon. But this comes on second number, and this guy gave warranty as well as the product cost was 100 rupees cheaper than the RTS one. RTS is selling same product for 550 rupees, and this guy is selling for 450 rupees. That's why I preferred this one. The product is good. I don't think it's used or okay. Here is button to off. Okay, it's working, but button has very less travel. So now it's off. Now I'll switch it on. Okay, now it's working. So overall, very nice product. For those who you want to use it for the professional use, it's very handy. You can keep it into pocket. There is one cheaper version that this one, but there the problem is the dongle will be kept inside the battery compartment. That is the big trouble. So I won't recommend you to have that one. There is one product which is like pen, which is expensive than this one. There the problem I thought is because it all the product other products has only single battery, only this model has dual batteries. So this is better, dual batteries are better on long run, because even if this product is not efficient, you will be able to do your job and get it done. Okay, so this was my honest review. There is no this is compartment for receiver, so no need to open it again and again. So there is no review for such kind of product on YouTube. So my I wanted to make a review to make everyone aware how the product is. So all the keys are working so far, so good, no complaints. I will recommend to use this seller instead of spending more money. And every seller is selling exactly same product with different names. So don't get confused. All the products are exactly the same. They are generic products imported from China, and they have very limited purpose, limited functions. That's why you will get exactly same quality from all the sellers. Don't pay high just because one seller has review and one seller doesn't have any review. I bought this product on zero reviews, guys. This seller had zero reviews for this product, but I will give review for this product. Whatever I feel honestly, I will give that review. Let me show what's inside. This is the compartment to keep the USB drive. So you will unplug it and push it this way. so it gets locked, and here is the notch so that you can pull it right away easily. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to this, feel free to drop your comments below. I will be happy to help. This was my genuine review, and if you find it helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Live loud.